Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the Daily Scan for Thursday, July 3rd, 2014. All right, yesterday, there's nothing really shocking here. I guess the ADP unemployment report came in pretty nicely with some nice numbers, and I guess you can probably expect the June unemployment report here that comes out at 8:30 to be probably looking pretty good too. And the markets closed today at 1 o'clock or at noon. I'm not sure when exactly, but it's going to be a short day. So this is going to be a short video. I'm not going to actually do a scan. We're just going to take a look at how things are. And we're going to enjoy our theta for the weekend. And I will make a few comments about the Thinkorswim platform too. All right, so that's it for the announcements. So take a look at the futures over in Asia, mixed to slightly bearish, and in Europe, mostly bullish. And there's a couple of interesting things here that you may want to take a look at, but I get a chuckle out of this. 10 things that rich people know and you don't. Well, I'm sure right off the bat I can think of, or 10 things the rich people do better than you. That's a good way to make people feel good. You know, if you're not rich, look at what these people do that you don't, you stupid idiot. What kind of junk is that to put on a headline? I don't understand it. I'm not even going to bother reading them because I know of at least 10 things that they do better than me. One of them is thumb their nose up at other people. All right, so over here, our futures are looking up for today. Gold is down $7 overnight, and oil is down 39 cents overnight. And here's my little package of concern right here is the Treasury bonds, the 30-year, which is pretty much what TLT is based on. It's a bucket of bonds, Treasury bonds, but I believe, but this is the key here. And likewise, little concerned about this trade. It's getting down pretty close. So these are huge gappers, and you don't see that a whole heck of a lot here. You see some here, and I guess it is pretty gappy. Kind of looks like could use a dentist, doesn't it? And a good dentist. There's a lot of gaps in these teeth. So keep an eye on that at least for a half a day today. What else is going on here? Here's the thing about the platform. You know, it's like, okay, so I went and I looked at Priceline. I pulled up a chart on Priceline, and then I lost my Greeks here. And here's another thing that just bothers me. Why? How can you be saying that? So we'll look at a little bit of detail here, and for some unknown reason, we're getting $120 showing up here. So I'm just trying to figure out what is with this platform. I had a follower actually say, can I trust the platform because they're just starting out? And I have to say that I'm not sure that I trust the platform right about now. You remember, I've been putting orders in at midpoints and they're not executing. I'm not saying that I'm not getting executions. I'm just saying that there is something really goofy going on here, and it makes me a little bit nervous. All right. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and run through the A plus list. I'm not going to even take a look at it today. I'm going to plan on a 4-day weekend. Now, yesterday we had an alert on Chipotle. Let's take a look. Just take a look at that. Oops. I'm trying to take a look at that. And we still have an alert there. This is 2 days on this. I'm going to cancel it. It failed, and I'm glad that I didn't get in on it with the 50 delta when it moved up here. Although if I would have gotten in early in the morning, it would have worked out, and I may have exited by the end of the day. So I think that that's the secret right about now. Is if you're up 50%, I would get out. It's just too crazy right now. So, believe it or not, that's all I'm going to say in today's video. Pretty much everything else is looking okay. I don't think I'll bail on TLT today. I don't think, unless something really horrible happens. We'll be collecting a lot of theta on a lot of these positions over this big 3.5-day weekend. So we'll enjoy that. Enjoy the summer. Go outside and play or work or do something. Just get out and get some fresh air while you still can. That's all I have to say. So enjoy the weekend. Thanks again for watching, and happy trading.